What's going on, guys? DP here, back on the PD 130 resto. So today we are taking off this. This is the tandem pump. So we're going to be taking that off, replacing the gaskets because we've got some heavy oil leakage down there. So I'm hoping it is from that. I think it is. Let's take it off and have a look. Anyway, we're going to change the gaskets on it anyway. So let's do it. You've got to remove the airbox. We can just remove this, the air intake pipe. I would recommend you don't take them off and you keep them on something solid. Otherwise they go in so far and you can't get anything around it. I don't know whether I'm in the way or not. I've actually got an Allen bolt down here. Most people have a 10mm. There's a 10mm down in between the airbox and the battery. And there's another 10mm up here. And that's the airbox pretty much removed anyway, so only 2 bolts, so I'm not too fussed about it. That one is a bit of a pain in the ass to get down to, but ready to use. I'm going to do this 10mm on the top. I'm going to disconnect the match sensor. It's really simple, just press back on that clip. There we go. Disconnect this vacuum hose. As you can see, we've got a lot of oil leakage. So as far as bolts go, we've got this one down here, this one, I think there's another one down the bottom, which you can't really see. Put down some towels, a towel to because it's going to leak a bit of diesel. These are the best tools. Bailed me out so many times dropping stuff. You haven't got one, telescopic magnet. Lifesavers. As you're removing whatever you're removing, it's easy to just put it next to it and you know it ain't going anywhere once you remove it. So now this is loose. 2 things that are connecting it. One's this. It shouldn't be a Jubilee clip, it should be a proper clip. Fix that anyway. And this one's here. But I did notice that the 2 seal O-ring here is actually not even in there. It's actually fell out. but it's practically flat. This one, it should stick out a bit, and it's actually it's flat, completely flat. So I think this is where my oil leak was, but a lot of these pipes look like they're gone. So I'm gonna give this a nice clean up. I've got some brake cleaner. Just gonna do it dry for a minute, and I don't want to get any crud in the ports. Cleaned up the pump, nice, and installed new gaskets. Try install it, and hopefully we'll be cured of all leaks. Fingers crossed. Make sure that it lines up in the pump. So you got them there, and there's a opposite to it inside which spins. And it's obviously got to line up, otherwise it won't fit. And there we are, back in the game. So I've got to connect this by the looks of it. I would advise putting it on before. I think I didn't. I think when I took it off when I removed the pipe. So yeah, my bad. And we're going to replace all these fuel hoses. I just want to make sure that this isn't leaking anymore. Get this one here. Looks like a bit of a bugger. So there it is, all back on. So I'm going to put the airbox back on, put the intake pipe, connect the MAF sensor, and have a tidy up. Finally back together again. Gonna wait till in the morning and then give it a test drive. We're all done.